Hello everyone, good time of the day everyone. In this video I'll show you how to move your XRP from Coinbase to Tangem Wallet. So the Coinbase is a website that is known for the crypto space, as a crypto space in general. So guys, let's begin. Open your Tangem Wallet app and ensure it's set up and ready to receive XRP. Tap on the receive button to get your XRP address or the QR code. After that, open the Coinbase app and go to your XRP portfolio. Step number 3, tap on send to begin the transfer. Paste the XRP address you copied from your Tangem wallet or scan the QR code. Enter the amount of XRP you want to send, then double check the transaction details. After that, guys, the last step, confirm the transaction by tapping send. The transfer will be processed on the XRP network and you should see your funds in the Tangem wallet after a short time. Ensure the XRP network is selected on both Coinbase and Tangem Wallet. This is very important. Coinbase may charge a small transaction fee and processing times may vary. And that's how you transfer. Guys, if this was helpful, press like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.